So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Cognizant Off-Campus Drive 2022. So they're hiring for the software engineer position. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off-campus and about the various preparation videos we generally make for Accenture, Capgemini, Infosys and TCS so and so. And also we upload the videos related to the various technologies and the programming languages, and currently we have uploaded many videos related to the SQL concepts and all. And also we have shared the interview experience guide as well for Dell and all. So you can watch the videos. I'll be putting the links to our various off-campus and other technology related videos, so that you can click on that link and you can watch the various videos based on your requirement. So now let's discuss about this Cognizant Off-Campus Drive 2022. So here you can see the application deadline is by 15th November 2022. 12 am, that means till 15th November you can apply, and the job position will be expired on 16th November, right? And it is live right now because the start date is 25th October and today is 2nd November, so that means it is live right now. And they're hiring for the Chennai location, Tamil Nadu, but later you can ask for the relocation and all if you need that. And so now let's discuss about some other things or the eligibility and all. So engineering students are eligible, that means you must have completed your BTech or any other graduation and clearly understand the roles and competency, proficiency, experience to self, and these are the things you can go through all the details. But if you see here, they didn't mention any specific technology or something or about the experience and all. So now let's click on if you are willing to apply, you need to click on this apply button here, then you will be able to apply. But actually after clicking on that apply, it redirects to this Cognizant portal or Cognizant career page where you can apply. So this is the regular Cognizant career page. If you have already gone through the Cognizant career page, then you might have might be knowing this how it looks, but this is the Cognizant page or career page. So here you can see all the details, and here only you need to apply. But before discussing about some other things like what are the technologies you need to know and what are the experience what is the experience range for this position, this is the job ID, and I would suggest you to take the reference from any Cognizant employee. You can approach them through LinkedIn or any other social media applications and all. If you know, then you can ask them to refer you for this position, because this is live right now. So if you are applying, then if you are getting some reference and all, then the probability is more, so that you can expect some interview calls or something, right? And so now let's discuss about the qualification required. So this is the actually qualification they have mentioned, and also any branch candidates can apply. There is no restriction to the branch or something, so you can apply if you belong to the non-IT background as well, right? So these are things operating in efficiency and fostering strong competency and other things you can go through. These are not mandatory or required to discuss here. This is the thing actually I wanted to discuss with you. The skills you need to have: Spring Boot, Core Java, digital strategy and delivery, digital delivery and all. So mainly you need to focus on these two things, right? And these are not any course or something is not available to do that, but these are two things you must be knowing or the skills you must possess. And if you see the job posting was October 2022 and 22nd October or 22 October. That means it's a fresh job. So I know most of the people who are applying for Cognizant, they say that I have applied for Cognizant but I didn't receive any call or something. But at the bottom, if you check the date, the job posting, if it is not a fresh job, then the probability is very less. but here this is a fresh job, so I would suggest all of you to apply, because they are actively hiring for this position right now. So that's why I am saying that you need to apply for this position, and this is a regular or the general shift is there, and travel no, and that's it. And also, if you ask me about the experience level, so mainly if you have more than 1 year of experience, mainly you will be able to, like, you will be getting more preferences, because this is not mainly, it is not especially for the freshers. Like, freshers can apply, but I'm not sure whether they will be getting more like preference or something. I'm not sure, because mainly if you are applying through any Cognizant portal, then especially it is for the experienced people or experienced guy. So if you are willing to apply, you can click on the apply now button. Then it's like you need to upload your resume, and that's it, and you can click on the submit. That's it. So I hope it is clear to you about the process and all, like eligibility criteria and application process. And you need to apply before this deadline, before this 15th November, because I guess they have the clear information about the deadline and all, so that's why they have mentioned. Otherwise they would never mention the deadline, because generally they mention when they know the deadline, right? So you can apply for this position by clicking on this link and apply now button. So I hope it is clear to you right now. If you have any doubt regarding this position or something related to the off campus or any other thing, you can comment in the comment section below, right? Okay, thank you guys, all the best with your job search.